Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook business account on Meta Business Suite. This is useful if you're shutting down a business page or simply consolidating your online presence into fewer platforms. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Look for your Facebook business page in this menu and click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken to your Facebook Business Management page. This is where you can oversee all the activities and settings related to your business presence on Facebook. On this page, scan the left navigation menu again and locate the Meta Business Suite option. Click on it to move forward with the deletion process. You'll now find yourself on the Meta Business Suite dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your business accounts across Facebook and Instagram. Here, navigate to the bottom part of the left navigation menu and locate the Settings option. Under the Profiles section, you'll see a list of pages associated with your account. Click on the specific page you wish to delete. This action will open a summary window displaying information about that page. In this window, look for and click on Page Settings to access the detailed configuration options. Once inside, scroll down through the menu options on the left navigation until you find Access and Control. Click on it to reveal the page management options. This is the critical stage where you'll make your final decision. You'll now see 3 different options presented to you: Deactivate Page, Unpublish Page, and Delete Page. Each serves a different purpose, but since you want to permanently remove your page, click on the radio button next to Delete Page to select it. After selecting this option, click the Continue button to proceed. At this point, Facebook will prompt you with an option to download or transfer your page information. This is your last opportunity to receive a backup of all the content, posts, and data associated with this business page before it's gone forever. Review this carefully and decide whether you need to save anything. Once you've made your decision and are ready to proceed, click Continue once more. For security purposes, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook account password to verify that you're authorized to delete this page. Enter your password carefully and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Facebook business account through Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.